Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices overnight a little bit higher, led by the soybeans. First, there was a lot of people scratching their heads as to, after yesterday's losses, why beans rallied today. We're hearing a few reports that maybe the Brazilian weather forecast is still dry in the north, wet in the south. That could offer some support to the market. Eventually, we're still expecting the forecast to change to a better weather scenario. We also think there might be some bargain hunting underneath the marketplace going into tomorrow's export sales report. Some people are looking for some very strong corn and soybean export sales, which could help prices. And then finally, the president of Brazil avoided any concerns overnight, and that might be offering some support to the soybean market also. The Treasury markets continue to decline. The dollar is holding near a 3-month high, and there's still optimism about the global economic growth outlook. And safe haven assets such as yen, gold, slipped lower, and the U.S. stock market looks like it's going to be a little bit lower. The Midwest weather has no really change. Expect to be mostly dry this week, which will help harvest. There is some concern yesterday that the final bean yields are coming down a little bit because of the dryness late in the growing season, and a little bit concerned that that final 60% of the corn crop could be pushed down a little bit because of the rains and the winds and things of that nature. But they're still in the back of people's minds that they could raise the corn yield in November, given the higher ratings than earlier in the season. So the funds yesterday, sellers of beans, meal, and oil. They bought corn and wheat, continue to be long beans, meal, and oil, short corn and wheat as we go into the first notice day on the November soybean futures, and as we go into the next November USDA crop reports. A little bit better on maybe some weather concerns in Brazil, maybe some good export sales data tomorrow. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.